Hello, friends. This is Veronica. You know what time it is? It is cafecito time. Today's cafecito time, I'm going to review a very, very special coffee that I was surprised to find, and I'll let you know all about it. So make sure you stick around. Hello, friends. This is Veronica from House of Sid. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. I make videos about coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things about the wonderful world of coffee. And speaking of the wonderful world of coffee, I found these the other day, and I just had to buy them. I had to review them. Unless you've been living under a rock, you probably don't know who these guys are. But if you do know, then you know that BTS is like the hot boy band right now in the world. BTS is a boy band from Korea. I've known about them for a while. I'm not really, part of the BTS army. That's what they call their fans. But their songs, you hear them on the radio, you hear them on commercials. Samsung commercial is very popular. YouTube, TikTok, they are all over the place. So yeah, BTS has coffee. Who knew? Like I said, I've known about the band. There's, a couple of their songs are pretty cool, catchy. You hear them all the time. Not a huge fan. It's okay if you are. No shade if you are a big fan. I personally know people my age who are like in love with them, which is cool. But anyways, the reason I'm doing this review is because, like I said, I found these at the Japanese supermarket. I don't think you could buy these at any store. I believe you could only find them at Asian grocery stores. Here in Southern California. We have Chinese grocery stores. We have Korean. We have Japanese. We have a lot of different types of ethnic grocery stores, which is awesome. And I really enjoy going to the Japanese grocery store because they have a lot of good stuff that I can't buy anywhere else. When I saw these, I was like, oh my God, that is like so cool. So basically, I try to go online to find information. I haven't found too much information, but it is by a brand called Hi, H-Y. Hi BTS Coffee. I guess they've had it since 2018. Didn't know about it. I don't know if it was just released in Korea, where they're from, South Korea, or what have you. A lot of the information is in Korean. Oh, on June 11, 2021, this is 7-Eleven Singapore. So yeah, you just can't find it anywhere. Let's see, specially packaged coffee. So I'm trying to find out more information. One thing I did read is that this coffee was created by an award-winning barista, Babinski. So I don't know who that is, but apparently he's an award-winning barista, coffee master, coffee brewer, what have you. So yeah, we're going to try it. They have one called, and I guess the big deal is that BTS does have a song called Coffee. It's a couple years old, but it's pretty cute. They sing in their native language, Korean and English. And even though a lot of people don't understand what they're singing, they go crazy for it. So Cold Brew Americano is one of the coffees they have. And I guess there's different bottles with the different pictures of the different guys. I believe there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 guys in the band. I don't know their names, but there's 7 of them. And I guess people try to collect all 7 of them. I just bought one. I don't know who he is, but they're the cute Korean boy band. Cold brew. And let's see what it says. So I bought the cold brew, and I bought, this one's called Hot Brew Vanilla Latte. And it has another one of the BTS guys on there. So let's see. It doesn't have a whole lot of information. It says BTS special package. Cold brew Americano, cold brew mild and fresh by unheated extract, coffee bean from Ethiopia and Rwanda. Other than that, it just has the ingredients. It doesn't have, not a lot of sugar in this, which is good. Hy-Vee is the name of the brand, I believe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I wasn't able to find a whole lot of information on this one. This one is called Hot Brew, so I don't know if you're supposed to drink this hot or cold. I've had them in my fridge for a couple days. This one says Hot Brew Vanilla Latte Hot Brew, high concentration by espresso extraction, coffee bean from Ethiopia and Vietnam, vanilla extract from Madagascar. So this one I don't believe is has milk or sugar. It has no added sugars. This one does have milk and sugar. So yeah, let's try them. So if you're a fan of BTS, let me know. Like I said, I know a couple of their songs because you hear them everywhere. But I just thought that was cool. Very cool, you know. One day, maybe I'll have my own coffee. So let's try the cold brew first. And I put these in the freezer for a little bit because I forgot to make ice. But anyways, cold brew Americano. Okay. Smells pretty good. Price. Let me tell you how much I paid for these. They weren't very expensive because you see, some of the bottled coffees that can be very expensive. And I'll put in the description where I found it, and maybe if I could find other, I believe it was $2.99. If I could find other information about it, like where you can buy it. I haven't seen this anywhere else, but I think it was $2.99 per bottle. Let me shake it up a little bit. And it is 9.13 ounces. So I'm just going to pour a little bit. That's what it looks like. Like I said, I don't have any ice, so hold on. I don't have ice, but it's been in the freezer for a little bit, so it's pretty cold. I'm going to give you my honest reaction. Not good. This is not very good. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like very watered down. It tastes like you've had your cold Americano coffee with a lot of ice, and you let all the ice melt, and it's just been watered down with a lot of ice. Yeah, this is not the greatest. So if you want to try it, if you like very light coffee, I put a little half and half in there. Yeah, it tastes actually very, very watered down. So cold brew Americano, not that great. Sorry, BTS, your Americano is not very good. It's not bad, but I think if you're going to buy it because you love coffee, then this is not the one to buy. If you're going to buy it because you love BTS and you're a mega fan and you're part of the BTS army, buy it. Keep the bottle as a souvenir. Coffee's mediocre. Sorry. Okay, let's try this one. This one I'm going to shake up. This is the Again, it says hot brew vanilla. I don't know if they mean the guy's hot or you're supposed to drink this hot. It doesn't really say here, but I'm just going to taste it the way it is. I'm trying to find out how much it costs. I believe it was $2.99. I took a picture of it, which obviously I can't find, but I'll post it here. I'll post it where I found it and how much I paid. Okay, so let's see. So like I said, this one already has milk and vanilla flavoring in it. So that's what it looks like. BTS Hot Brew Vanilla Latte. Okay, this one is good, much better. It's not super sweet, which is good. It's not super sweet. It's a little creamy. I don't really taste too much of vanilla flavor. It's really, really light and subtle, and the sweetness is not very super sweet. Because you know when you buy the bottled cold drinks from other brands, they're very, very sweet. So this one's not too bad. I like it. Very good. So that's my review. If you are a fan of BTS and you want to try these coffees, I recommend the Hot Brew Vanilla Latte. Like I said, I don't know if you're supposed to drink it hot or cold. It doesn't say. If you want it hot, I'm sure you could put it in a cup and heat it up in the microwave. No big deal. This one, I would skip this one. No bueno. Hot brew, bueno. Yeah, this one tastes very watered down. So a little disappointed in this one. Like I said, if you love coffee, skip this one. Unless you're a super fan and you want to buy it because you want to have the bottles with the guys on it. Cool, do it. If you're a fan of coffee and a fan of the band, definitely try the vanilla hot brew. It's much better. It's really good, actually. I think I wouldn't add too much ice to it either. If you are going to drink this, put it in the fridge, put it in the freezer for a little bit, and just drink it like that. I would not put extra ice in it. If you want, you can, but I think because the flavors are kind of light, it might water it down too much. But that's it, you guys. Let me know if you're a fan of BTS. Let me know if you have seen these coffees and want to try them. Let me know what you think about this review. Just a fun little review. Like I said, you know, I'm out and about and I always see like these kind of fun, different types of coffee. And I thought, why not? Let's do a fun little taste test, coffee review, BTS coffee. Let me know what you think. So definitely go for the hot brew vanilla latte. Skip the cold brew. So if you want to enter my giveaway, don't forget the month of March is my 3-year channel anniversary. So I have a giveaway. If you want to enter, leave me a comment on this video and in the comment add giveaway Starbucks if you want to win the Starbucks tumbler. Giveaway Nespresso if you want to win the Nespresso Nomad tumbler. Looks like this. This was my personal one. This is an extra one I bought. Or if you want to win the original advent calendar, leave me a comment saying giveaway original, giveaway Starbucks, giveaway Nespresso, giveaway original, and I will randomly pick from the comments. Read the description for the full details. You must be subscribed, turn on the notifications, leave me a comment, thumbs up, share my video. You guys are the best. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.